How many times have you stared at a blank page, fingers hovering over the keyboard, dreading the formatting nightmare that comes with publishing your book? Or perhaps you've wrestled with clunky software, trying to get your ebook to look just right on every device, only to be met with frustrating inconsistencies. What if I told you there's a tool designed to banish those headaches, to make the technical side of publishing not just bearable but actually enjoyable? Today, we're diving deep into the purpose of Atticus, a software that's quickly becoming a game-changer for authors, indie publishers, and anyone looking to create professional-grade books without the steep learning curve or the hefty price tag of traditional design services. Forget what you think you know about book formatting. Atticus isn't just another word processor. It's a dedicated solution built from the ground up to streamline the entire book creation process, from writing your first draft to generating print-ready files and perfectly optimized ebooks. At its core, the purpose of Atticus is twofold: to simplify book formatting and to empower authors with professional design capabilities. Let's break that down. For years, authors faced a dilemma. You could spend countless hours learning complex design software like Adobe InDesign, a powerful but notoriously difficult program with a steep learning curve. Or you could outsource your formatting to a professional designer, which, while convenient, could easily cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars per book. This presented a significant barrier for many indie authors, especially those just starting out or on a tight budget. Atticus steps into this gap, offering a user-friendly alternative that doesn't compromise on quality. Think of it like this: if Microsoft Word is a general-purpose hammer, Atticus is a specialized, precision-engineered tool designed specifically for building books. While Word can certainly handle text, it struggles with the nuanced requirements of book design, things like consistent chapter headings, proper margins for print, embedded fonts for ebooks, and automatic generation of tables of contents. Atticus, on the other hand, is built with these specific needs in mind. One of Atticus's primary purposes is to democratize professional book design. It provides pre-designed templates and intuitive controls that allow even complete novices to create beautiful, polished interiors. You don't need to understand kerning, leading, or print bleed to use Atticus. The software handles the technical complexities behind the scenes, allowing you to focus on your content. This means you can achieve a consistent, branded look across your entire catalog without having to reinvent the wheel for each new book. Imagine the time and stress saved when you can simply select a template, drop in your manuscript, and let Atticus do the heavy lifting. Beyond just aesthetics, Atticus serves a crucial purpose in ensuring technical compliance for various publishing platforms. Whether you're uploading to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Ingram Spark, Apple Books, Kobo, or Smashwords, each platform has its own specific requirements for print and ebook files. Manually adjusting your manuscript to meet these diverse specifications can be a painstaking and error-prone process. Atticus automates much of this, generating clean, validated files that are ready for upload. This significantly reduces the chances of your book being rejected due to formatting errors, saving you valuable time and frustration. Furthermore, Atticus is designed to streamline the writing and editing process within the same ecosystem. While it excels at formatting, it also offers a robust writing environment. You can write your manuscript directly within Atticus, utilize its outlining features, and even track your writing progress. This integrated approach means you don't have to constantly jump between different software programs, reducing friction and keeping you focused on your creative flow. The ability to see how your words will look in a formatted book as you write them is a powerful motivator and a significant advantage for authors. Another key purpose of Atticus is to offer flexibility and control to the author. Unlike some other formatting tools that are overly prescriptive, Atticus provides a balance between ease of use and customization. While it offers excellent pre-built themes, it also allows you to fine-tune various elements of fonts, spacing, chapter starts, and more to match your specific vision. This means you can create a unique look and feel for your book without needing to be a design expert. You have the power to make your book truly yours, without getting bogged down in the minutiae of code or complex design principles. For authors who frequently publish, Atticus's purpose extends to fostering efficiency and consistency across their entire body of work. Once you've created a custom template or perfected a specific style, you can easily apply it to all your future projects. This not only saves immense time but also helps establish a professional brand identity. Readers will come to recognize and appreciate the consistent quality and polished presentation of your books, building trust and encouraging repeat purchases. In essence, Atticus's ultimate purpose is to remove the technical hurdles that often prevent authors from achieving their publishing dreams. It empowers you to create books that look every bit as professional as those from traditional publishing houses, without the associated costs or complexities. It allows you to focus on what you do best, writing captivating stories and sharing your knowledge with the world, while the software handles the intricacies of presentation. It transforms the often dreaded task of formatting into a surprisingly simple and even enjoyable part of the publishing journey. Whether you're a seasoned author with multiple titles or someone just about to publish their first book, Atticus is designed to be your trusted partner in bringing your literary vision to life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.